Hey guys, wanna know how to change your currency pair in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, what you can do is simply launch up your MetaTrader 5 application and make sure you are on the quotes tab right here on the bottom left. Now once you're there, let's say I want to change my currency pair to USD CNH. Now you just find it. Now for me it's right here. Now just simply click on it, and right here you can see chart. Select chart right here, and once you've done that, it will take some while processing the chart data, and after that is done, there you have it. Your currency pair has been successfully changed, and you can see the chart change as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.